Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. Hello and welcome back again. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to reset OpenShot interface. So by default, if you can see, we have the OpenShot interface over here. We have the timeline, we have project files, transitions, effects over here, and then we have a video preview over here. So say for instance, by mistake, I just went ahead and closed the project files, then the transitions, then the effects tab and window preview also. If by mistake, I just went ahead and just closed it out. All I have right now is the timeline available with me, which is not exactly what I want because I need to have a look at the video preview in order to do my editing. So how are you going to change this? All you need to do is go back to view, then go to views and then go to simple view over here. By default, OpenShot interface will come back again. Say for instance, I do not want window preview over here. So I have project files, transitions, effects. Again, you need to reset the view. All you need to do is go back again to view, views and simple view. Once when we start doing file, edit, title, view and the menu bar, one by one, I will be showing you all of these over here. Title, animated title. One by one, we will be covering each topic. Thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next lecture. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.